What's up, my friends? Welcome back to another episode of Island Fever Artisan. My name is Dan. Today we're going to be making a banana liqueur. I know we've been doing a lot of infusions on this channel, but sometimes you want something that is a little sweeter, less alcohol, something you can add to a cocktail or sip on its own. So we're also going to be making liqueurs on this channel, so stay tuned for a lot of cool recipes heading your way with that. But we're going to start with banana liqueur. We're going to take two, as you can see, very ripe bananas, peel them and mash them up. Throw that in a half-gallon jar with 12.5 ounces of light rum, pretty much a half a bottle of rum. Throw this in a cool, dark place and let it infuse for 3 days. 3 days later, and we have to strain and combine our infused rum banana mixture with our sugar to make it a liqueur. For this, we're going to be making a vanilla simple syrup. We're going to let this cool to room temperature while we strain out our banana rum. Strain your banana rum through a cheesecloth lined fine strainer over a funnel into a clean glass jar. Here's a little pro tip for you. If you just want to drink the banana rum and skip all the sugar and not make it a liqueur, enjoy. Goodbye. You're done. But today we're making the liqueur. So combine your vanilla simple syrup with your banana rum and stir. Let this sit for 1 day to let all those flavors get to know each other. Oh yeah, that's good. I like to keep this in the fridge. You can sip on it neat, throw some in an old fashioned. Cheers for 1,000 years.